Hi guys, this is Forex Trading Strategies. I'm going to explain a simple method you can use to win in the market every time, okay? At least your winning rate will be very higher than your loss rate, okay? And that is what every professional trader needs to survive this volatile market called the boom and crash. So I have this setup right here before me, and it's very amazing. If you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe so you can get notified whenever I post a new video, okay? It's very important. So let's head into our trade. How can we use this setup to trade? Okay, how can we use this setup to trade? Now I'm going to show you something real quick. Now I'm going to start with this line here called the Scalper Pro, okay? The red line called the Scalper Pro. I'm going to start with that. That is very important, okay? Now you can actually customize the color to show you the kind of thing you want, but it still works in the same way, which is if it is going on uptrend, it's going to show you a color, and if the market is going on downtrend as well, it is going to show you a color that, okay, this is what is going to happen right here, okay? Now you can see that the market has been going on uptrend. Then when it came here, there's some spike that happened. It's as if it's coming down, then the spike happens again, as if it's coming down, the spikes happen. Now if you are using this to trade alone, this can put you in a big trouble, because check from here, from here, okay? I'm using the 5-minute time frame, and this is boom 500. Check from here, this is a downtrend, right, with about 22 bars, okay? 22 bars, that's more than an hour, because each of the blocks or each of the candles takes 5 minutes to form, okay? That's the formation time, 5 minutes time frame. That's what we are using. So if you are trading the market from here to here, you might think, okay, the market is going on downtrend, okay? So if you get caught in some spikes, you might think, okay, it's not something huge, that you're still going to leave the market very soon, okay? And definitely you are not going to leave the market, okay? Because look at what this guy right here in the middle is telling us. This arrow comes up that the market is going on uptrend, okay? And ever since then, although it will come down for some time, then it spikes up, come down for some time, spikes up, but the net movement from here to here, the overall movement is uptrend, okay? And that's going to keep you in the uptrend for a very long time, because whenever this indicator in the middle right here shows an arrow of the direction of the market, trust me, it's going to go in that direction for a very long time. Now this setup is not good for trading spikes, okay? For little accounts, it's not good for trading spikes. If you want to trade spike with this whole setup, then you need to have a big capital, okay? You need a big capital to trade with this kind of setup, because it's definitely not going to tell you at whichever point it's going to spike or whichever point it is not going to spike, okay? Just that it's going to be an uptrend. It's going to be a series of turbulence, okay? It spikes up, come down a bit, it spikes up, comes down a bit, it spikes up, then it keeps on going that way, okay? It keeps on going that way. So if you are trading the boom using this setup, immediately you see that this arrow is out. That is showing that the market is going to go on uptrend for a considerable long time. So you stay out of the market, okay, and keep your profit. You lock your profit. So let's try to go back in the time frame and see where the arrow comes out. There's going to be a downtrend. Now look at it from here, okay? Now there a series of spikes have been happening. A series of spikes, okay, look at it here, of spikes have been happening, and the arrow came out right here that is going to go on downtrend. And ever since then, see, it has been going on downtrend, go up a bit, but you can see that the net movement is downtrend. Now right from here, check it from here to this point before I say that, okay, it's going to go up now. So that is a very long time. So you can use this indicator to take a long-term trade. Just be sure to get the trend at the beginning. Do not be in a rush, okay? You can wake up or get busy, and whenever you come to your chart, you can see that you are in a trend already, okay? If the trend is still new, you can jump on it or hop in it. But if the trend is old already, for example, if you are trading the normal movement of the market, like the boom, the normal movement of the boom is selling, okay? It sells for some time, then boom, it spikes up, okay? Just like its name implies. So you don't have to jump into it when the trend has started long time ago, okay? Because in no time the trend could reverse. For example, let's say someone jumped into it here, okay? The trend has started since, then someone jumped into it, okay? You jumped into it maybe around here, then you scalp it to this kind of point, and you get trapped in the uptrend. You will definitely not like yourself, okay? That is not good for your capital. So I think the best thing to do is join at the early stage of the trend, and you'll be able to ride all the way to the bottom. Okay, you ride all the way to the bottom. Once it gives you that this is going to be a downtrend and you have a sizable capital and you've used the right lot size for your account, you can go ahead and take hefty trade. Okay, take hefty trade and take your profit once. Okay, you keep on doing the sampling and going in and out and locking your profits in and out, and at whichever point it starts going against you, then you close the trade. Okay, because what you are going to close at is definitely not going to be more than what you've made already. Okay, and that way you are going to stay in profit for a very long time. And if you keep trading like that, okay, you keep on meeting your daily targets every day, then that's a good way to build your profit and also build your trading ideas and build your portfolio as a beginner or even as an intermediate or pro trader. Okay, it's very, very important to apply good skills to your trading so that you can leverage on the market and make some money. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, so you have this setup right here to tell you if the market is going on uptrend or downtrend. Okay, you can look at it here. Okay, this is an uptrend, this red is a downtrend, this green is uptrend, red is downtrend. Same thing as this up. Okay, this green is uptrend, the red is downtrend, but then this arrow is like the king. Okay, it comes in and give you the direction. Okay, regardless of what this one is saying, it can be spiking. Okay, there's no a kind of smooth ride in this kind of market. So but once this guy right here comes into the chart, then it explains everything and breaks it down further for you to know the direction of the market, and that way you are going to lock in your profit and trade profitably. So thank you guys, this is what I have to teach you in this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Do not forget to subscribe and bye for now.